Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight to all my friends near and far. This is your friendly Filipina Carpintera here in America. Time check guys, 1:30 na ng hating gabi. At ngayon lang kami nakadating sa bahay namin after a very stressful, not really stressful, but very busy life today. Yesterday na. So yeah, I woke up with excitement kasi pumunta kami doon sa closing ng binili naming lupa. Sabi ni Cory, we are already late, let's go. Ito po yung nila, building nila. So let's see.
Hello, hello.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Very good, thank you. Sorry, we're 3 minutes late.
That's all right. I always get here early.
Okay.
So you have a work meeting this afternoon?
No, it was actually canceled.
Well, I've got other work stuff.
Oh, okay.
It worked out. Okay.
Where are we going?
We're gonna go to the back, closing on Firewood Way, correct?
Okay, yes. I don't know if it was wired already.
It's here.
Oh,
I
okay.
already asked.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am. You're very welcome.
Here you go.
So we sit here in the presidential table.
Yes.
Hi.
So,
You can sit there.
And you got the closing statement I sent you.
Yes. But I did not read it. I trust you. And so I was so happy. Tapos yun, success. Check, check, check. Tapos after that, I had to go. Akala ko guys, 40 minutes lang yung pupuntahan ko kasi may nag-advertise na libre daw na yung panglabada ba na bucket or ano ba yun. Hindi ko na maintindihan kung or remember kung anong pangalan nun na yung whatever na linalagyan natin ng ating mga labada. So, ito na guys, yung pamamulot ko ng basura. Hay, nako. Ang layo pala galing sa bahay namin. Tapos nawala pa ako. Parang almost 1 hour akong nag-drive. It's not worth it. Tapos sabi nung may-ari, nasa likod daw yung pupulutin ko sa ilalim ng deck or porch. So, tingnan natin. Ano ba yan? Saan ba ako dadaan dito? Let's see. Kakainis. At in fairness, ganda ng nila, bahay nila. Guys, first time ko talaga dito. At this place. So, saan ay? Oh, is there. Yun, oh. Labadami. Labango. Libre, guys. Libre. Ay, nako. Ito yung napala ko. Sabi ng asawa ko, saan ka naman pupunta? Sabi ko, magbabasura ako. Pipick upin ako. Tapos, where? Kasi ayaw niya mga ganun eh. Tapos sabi ko sa doon, sa downtown. Nawala ako. Kaya palibot-libot ako, palibot-libot. Hanggang sa parang 1 oras na yung libot-libot ko na nawala ako. Yan, oh. Yan yung nakuha ko after driving from Apari to Hulu. Nice. So yun, free kasi eto si Carpintera, pumunta ako doon, guys. Kala ko 45 minutes lang yung travel. I ended up, I think back and forth, I drove like mga 2 hours plus kasi nawala ako. Tapos yes, libre yung palanggana na yung planggana na binigay libre. Yung gas ko naman sa kotse ko, oh my gosh. Parang parang 1,500 ata pesos yung nagasta ko. But anyway, I was so happy kasi nakakita ako ng mga magagandang bahay, mga ganun. So, ito yung mga neighborhoods nila dito. This is a cool place. So, sabi ko sa may-ari na nakuha ko na kasi wala siya sa bahay nila. Nakuha ko na yung nakuha ko na yung labada. Ganda ng mga nila dito, neighborhood. I like it here. Oh, my for sale. My for sale na bahay. This is one of the reasons why I like driving sometimes kasi may makita kang mga magagandang tanawin, magagandang bahay. Alam niyo guys, yung mga bahay dito. Mga bahay dito just like that, straight ahead. Yan, yung red brick. Siguro nasa 200,000+ yan. Concentrate muna tayo kasi 4-way stop pala ito. I hate 4-way stops. Oh! Ganda ng lugar. It's so nice makakita ka ng different next left on Lengthy Road. Then turn right on Lengthy. Turn to the left, to the right. Ano ba yung kanta na? Stop to look and listen. Stop to look and listen. Tapos after that, nakausap ko yung carpenter. So after that, akala ko ipapulis ako. But sabi nung babae na may-ari na, yung yung planggana nandyan sa likod. Go ka lang kasi wala kami dito. But after that, so, kinausap ko naman yung yung karpentero ko na gusto ko makipagkita sa kanya because I needed him to finish yung backyard, putting a fence in the backyard. Kaso lang, dahil nawala ako, so, yun, naghintay siya sa hardware store for like, probably over an hour. Tapos, yun, pagdating ko, pinakain ko siya, and then after that, nag-shopping kami ng, mga materials for the backyard. Tapos, umili ako ng mga flowers at plants, just to beautify, to give our renovation another boost of yung curve appeal. After that, ang bigat-bigat ng fence na nakuha niya and I could not help him. Dan, you need help. Here's my...
Oh, you're taking pictures.
There's Dan. He said that I cannot take pictures.
Taking pictures of me struggling?
So, yun. Anyway, makita nyo sa video later. Naku-conscious siya kasi ayaw niyang magpa-video. Ganon talaga dito sa sa USA na mga tao are very private. Pero I made fun of him and he was okay with it. So, yun. So, yan. Tinanim ko na yung nabili namin ng mga flowers para additional pa beauty sa bahay namin. Yan, upo-upo din si Carpentera pag may time kasi sumakit na yung likod niya. So, yung mga roses na yan, I planted that probably October last year. Tapos, pag ginaw na, tapos akala ko namatay na talaga sila kasi nag-ano kami yung ulan ba na naging ice dahil sa lamig. Kaya akala ko namatay talaga sila. And I was so surprised kasi pagka ilang months ba yun? Last March, April. No, actually April na nung nakita ko, oh my gosh, hindi sila namatay. So, hallelujah! Dinagdagan ko lang ng yung yellow or gold na flower na yan. Uy, nabali. Yan si Dan, our carpenter. Dinagyan na ng extra soil yung plant bed dyan kasi namatay na yung mga plants na tinanim ko last year. So, yun. As you can see, tingnan nyo, diba, nice yung flower na tinanim ko. So, yan yung ginawa ko dyan. Tapos, after that, umuwi kami, and then may pick up na naman ako na another 35 minutes sa ibang state na naman. So, ang asawa ko, guys, nagmumugto na talaga. Paano? Ang ganda-ganda ng ng vase, parang international. Galing ata yun sa ancient Iraq or Iran, wherever, I don't know. But sabi nung babae na, yeah, the owners of that are, what do you call this one? Like, lawyers. Tapos namatay na sila. So, yun. And I was the one who got it. So, we. So, yun. Finally, nakadating na kami sa bahay. And my husband accompanied me. Pumunta kaming, hindi pa kami dumating sa bahay, but diretso na lang kami papuntang grocery. Kasi si pader, yung parang tatay ko na nakaibigan namin, libing niya bukas, and I promised my friend na I'm gonna make carbonara para sa mga visitors tomorrow. And so, yun, 10:30 na, and I was like starting to really get drained, and I was bit. But yun, sa awa ng Panginoon, nakaluto ako ng carbonara, and then we had to travel another 45 minutes para maihatid namin yung pagkain doon sa friend ko para hindi na sila mag-alala kinabukasan kasi yung viewing ng ng funeral bukas ay funeral, tapos yung viewing is an hour before that. So I know they will be very busy bukas, so yun, linuto ko na, tapos hinatid na namin ng asawa ko. And then, after that, bumalik na kami dito, and, yan, saka kapagod ko, parang hindi ako makatulog, and I still have to wake up early in the morning tomorrow, kasi attend kami ng funeral. But anyway, thank God for giving us strength, and hindi pa ako nag-dinner, so, ewan ko, magprito siguro ako ng isda, tapos kakain ako, 3:00 na ng umaga. But anyway, that's just life. It is what it is. So, ito po yung mga kaganapan ko sa buhay ko today. I hope you enjoy watching. Take care. Mwah!